by, just something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out, there's something about her.
Hey guys, it is your girl Lady N, and I'm back again with another YouTube video. I hope guys in sharp on the right, guys. I hope in the right, because guys, I am so happy today. Me and my boyfriend, guys, since our 1 year. Today is our 1 year anniversary, guys. Isikhathi siyahamba. Isikhathi siyashesha, guys. So guys, isikhathi siyashesha, yonke into yenzeka nje fast, guys. So today we are going to celebrate our day. So guys, you will come with us, because manje ngesontweni, then when I come back to church we are going to celebrate our 1 year anniversary, guys. Yeah, so please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment. So right now, guys, sisontweni, isonto lizophuma ngo-half 11. So yeah, ngizosuka esontweni njenga le vlog le, guys, because khona enye vlog ngiyenzile izophuma kuqala, nizoyibona kuqala kunale. Yeah, so ngizosuka esontweni ngize lana, then ngisuka la bese siyahlangana lo. So yeah guys, you will come with us, you will join us. So
I've been wondering all day, trying to be fine, but I can't get the noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Trying to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind my mind, all these nights I tried to get, ready to get back, I think, ready to be on my mind, ready to the other side, ready to leave my life, ready to take me out. Tell you what I need, I really need, I really need. I really need Ghana. I really need Ghana. I really need, I need this in my mind now. I really need Ghana. I really need different Ghana. I really need Ghana. Oh yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Tell me love that you cannot fix. One is the joy that you cannot fix, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system you cannot break. I need to finally come behind my mind. All these nights I've died on me. Ready to give up my name. Ready to be on my mind. Ready to the other side. Ready to leave my life. Ready try to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right.
guys, I am back. So ngipheke izinto nje, guys, yabo esizozidinga la siyakhona. Guys, so bani picnic, so yenza picnic just to celebrate our day, guys, and since in just bamba 1 year today. So I'm so excited, guys. I am so excited. So right now ngisabheka izinto ezishodayo esizosidinga, and then siyamithapha mina naye, and then ke sothenga izinto because khani sizothenga izinto yabo. Yeah, food, snack, drinks, yabo. Yeah guys, so don't go anywhere, stay tuned guys and subscribe guys. Sengiyaphuma manje guys, I will catch you all like masisise mall guys, cause like we are running late manje, kube nama-delay yabona nje ish, but I will catch you all guys masisifike mall, masisithenga izinto esizidingayo, so don't go anywhere, stay tuned. Yo guys, sesifikile mall.
Hey guys, you guys are good. Yeah, but it's that day,
Yeah guys, oh manje sayothenga kusethunjini guys. Soqala Roman's pizza.
Roman's pizza.
Bese siya nase chicken licken guys. Okay ma'am. Yeah, so yeah guys, ish it's shem kuningi yazi, but usathana unamanga lelanga leli sizoli-enjoy, like it or not. So yeah guys, keep on watching and subscribe. Danke. Guys, there's something chicken bikini. Yeah, that's a little yeah, so yeah guys, it's man, it's hard to bear. Guys, you made it out, that's when it's so needed. Now I am waiting for Spain. Selling at snack, Pick n Pay, so we couldn't go like together because we're mailing in the order. Plus, the news and things paying some assistance. So he has a shop putting manager and I'm putting together this necessary. So yeah guys, I'm waiting for him manager. When I order milk, it has a chicken again. So yeah guys, it's really guys. But I'm glad this is happening. That's happening in this thing. So yeah, continue to watch till the end. Oh guys, we are finally arrived. Yo, fun guys, sesifikile. Yeah, okwamanje sisa-set up guys ukuthi sizohlala kanjani, sabeka nezinto yabo.
Yep.
So yeah guys, stay tuned.
Oh yeah, danke wafethu. Yeah,
We outside today guys.
Yeah, still kushawa umoya nje kancane. Oops, sorry my baby. Still kushawa umoya kancane. Yeah, just to unwind a lot of stuff. Yeah, sibe grand. Yeah, I hope you guys land in the shop. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, because we got the best for you guys.
Yeah.
As always.
guys, yeah, nginitholele i-view right. I hope niyasibona mara. Yo guys, sigcine safika.
Yes. Danko.
Okay guys, got this.
Danko.
A pizza guys. Juicy? Yeah. So nje esilambile manje sazodlasile. Oh. Pesamanzi?
Yeah, khona phela. Amanye sepiki, awukuyakaza sepiki.
Nice, huh?
Yeah.
So what am I going to do? So I feel like
Yeah, guys, so we celebrate.
oh, that's good. Yeah, okay,
Yeah, guys, so we're celebrating our relationship. We were making 1 year today.
guys.
Yeah.
So guys, why not celebrate?
Yeah.
And we got Tropica guys here. We wanna try it out, guys. Shaking Nandi. Oh.
Yeah, so yeah, but this is our anniversary. We thank God.
Yeah.
For Gucci actually up until today. Yeah, like like Buffett. Yeah, we went through a lot, but we're still here, guys. Yeah, so yeah, we give thanks
To every
cheers.
and to every relationship out there, guys. A relationship is actually happy, lovely, dovey, guys.
Yeah.
Kunama challenges kuya ngani ukuthi nifunana bo, and thina ngale 1 year guys, we are so proud of ourselves because of guys, hey, these days kunzima ukuthi umuntu athandane nomuntu aqeda unyaka naye lo muntu loyo.
Yeah, true.
So akuthanda next strateni yabo, so yeah guys.
Yeah, Buffett, love your partner, love each other, guys, love yourself, so that we'll continue to move. Yeah, and we're doing this because and then for you guys, obviously we're doing content. Yeah. So if you want to draw an inspiration, you can just simply watch our vlogs, especially this one. Yeah, and I'm pretty sure Magabiskati, you'll finally get your partner, your loving partner.
Yeah. So guys,
Don't wanna leave it, might just know where the reasons why people can't fake it. And secrets, both gotta keep it honest, that's just a game we know. People can't fake it. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, oh, stay behind closed doors, 'cause all I wanna do is lie with you. For tonight, I'm yours. Only been a few hours, but it feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only feel like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. This sound doing what you want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
guys, anniversary yethu ikulangele right Sunday.
Yeah.
Sundays are for lovers. Apa tonight? Guys, I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy, guys.
Yeah, I'm actually happy as well. We both are.
Yes, but this is our first anniversary. So too, but angazi experience abo.
Yeah, true. Same thing as well. Nami very like young jabulisa yabo. Like nje kumnandi nje kushawa umoya with your partner yabo.
Eating good food.
Unwind from a lot of things.
Yeah. So yeah, because this balulekile ukuthi wena nepartner yakho nizijabulise nisiphilise kamnandi kahle.
Yeah.
Because mangingakwenzi lokho for nina uba nizonenjani.
Akekho.
There's no one, so
Akekho.
you need to prioritize your relationship yakho naloyo muntu loyo yabo to go far.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys. So baba thatha ama tips.
Yeah, I hope natsika lapho. Hope natsika lapho. Yeah.
Ooh, it's just something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Ooh, it's something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Cause she walk like a boss, talk like a boss, manicure and nails, just let the pedicure off. She's fly effortlessly. And she moves like a boss, do what it wants to. She got me thinking about getting it all. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Isn't it?
Guys, we even bought ukuthi guys azange like sisathola like u1 wekhendlela.
Oh yeah, we were supposed to get it, but
futhi ukuthi guys i-picnic yabo manje umlilo yabo.
you know, like I think we were taking this part of the city was time. Yeah, but we were supposed to really get it.
Yo guys, we are full.
Something about her, something oh so sexy about kind of woman that don't even need my help.
Yo guys, we are so full lezwa manje. I think inale cake ezolidla endlini.
Yeah, cake is
into sizoyidla nje banana
and some snacks.
Yeah, because hey, we are full guys, so full. So let me show you our view, guys. Let me show you our view.
Where'd you go? Now you know how I've been.
Guys, niyibonile ke view yethu. Sisipholele guys, like sipholile. Sisenathi siphume igasi lethu yabo. Size kuyi-park nice yabo. This is a cool park guys as ever. Bengazi ukuthi sowethi khona ipark kanje.
Yeah,
like,
it's very cool.
This is so cool guys, calm. Like nje la uyazimamela shem, like to be honest.
Yeah,
it's
like,
so
if you can head straight Pambili, like you can see people are enjoying themselves, people are making braai. It's an Easter Sunday picnic, picnic vibes, yeah. It's good vibes.
Good vibes, guys. So yeah guys, I hope you are enjoying this vlog, our 1 year anniversary vlog guys. Yeah guys, so stay tuned and subscribe guys. Yabona manje kancane guys, yabona like sizoveza like lamasina kanje sisi outside guys, siye somewhere.
Yep.
Mhlampe enye vlog sobe singekho la, sizobe siye endaweni like yeah guys, ukuthi yeah.
Shintshe location.
Location yabo, so stay with us guys, stay with us, nizothanda la kusekhaya la.
Yeah.
Yes.
We feel
Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We had the days on show you something deep more than was. We had the days on I've been wandering all day, trying to be far, but I can't pay. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Trying to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind is ready to get back, I think. Ready to be on my way, ready to the other side, ready to leave my life. Let it try to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need harder. I really need harder. I really need harder. I really need to feel my mind now. I really need harder. I really need a different kind now. I really need harder. Oh yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Tell me love that you cannot fix. One is the joy that you cannot fix, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system you cannot break. I need to find relief. I'm behind, my mind. What is not out of me? Ready to give up my name. Ready to be on my mind. Ready to the other side. Ready to leave my life. Ready try to take me out. Tell you what I need.
Guys, I hope nje seniyashintsha ukuthi yo guys, we are having a beautiful moment, nice moment yabo nathi guys, like sifuna ku enjoy about this moment yabo and talk about a lot of stuff yabo, ziningi izinto sikhulume ngazo, just ukuthi nathi like sizimamele vele size la guys for ukuphola ukujabula yabona. Yeah guys, so far sihappy la hleli khona, akuna next nje ngathi snacks yabo ukuthi bayenza stuff njengoba sishiwo ukuthi this park is so chilled, abantu bakhona abakhulile ba nice, ba matured. So yeah, we are having a nice time. I hope you are enjoying this vlog guys. I hope so guys, and let me check the time. Sizohamba ngabo around 5. Yeah. Bhekani isikhathi. Ngahleki screen protector. Yeah. Sizohamba around 5 yabo. Now guys, keep on watching and subscribe guys. Subscribe. We love you so much. Guys, sisoqoqa manje sisiyahamba. We really did enjoy our day today.
Oh yeah.
So manje sesiyahamba guys, sesiqoqa. I don't know, I will vlog that part, but like sifuna ukuthi kusibe quick yabo.
Yeah.
Sihambe. Yeah, seyishayile guys, sekuntambama manje. Yesicale shishifte manje.
I yeah. At least we were able to get some fresh air, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're still in the hood, but not in the hood. But yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So yeah guys, we will catch you all guys on another trip name. Yeah. So guys, we are done packing izinto. Sesiqoqile, sesiqedile, sesiyahamba ke guys. I will catch you all mase sise taxi guys, because sekuvela taxi manje sesiyahamba manje njengoba beshilo. Bese sesiyahamba guys. So yeah.
If you feel it's me, if you I'm the one, it's got me going on me. You see, that's for me. You're the one in my heart. Time won't come till the end. I'ma always be right by your side. That's for me. You're the one in my heart. Time won't come till the end. I'ma always be right by your side. I know you're the one. I know our time will come. I feel you in my heart. I see you in my dreams. I keep you in my prayers. That's what
Guys, we are back. Yo guys, we did enjoy guys, bekumnandi. Like live asikhona guys, like bekumnandi sipholile yabo, like sizicabangela nje Nkosi yami inkinga zethu yabona nje. Yeah guys, bekumnandi. I really did enjoy this day. I hope you did enjoy this vlog guys. If ubukele till this far, thank you so much. God bless you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment guys. Stay tuned for more content that is coming guys. I love you so much. Bye.